Can I say something?
I would recommend against it, Mr. Terry. I don't think there's anything that we can say that would change the judge's mind on this one.
Can I say it at least? I just want to
say whatever you want.
Yeah, I just wanted to speak on the tether issue. I'm not a flight risk. I work here at Eisenhower Center, and they're telling me that I won't be able to work if I keep the bracelet on my leg. I'm not a flight risk. I don't understand why they even say that. I'm here. I have a good job. I'm not trying to lose that. And then like stay on the tether, the job is telling me that they'll have to let me go, which I'm not trying.
This courtroom is about to explode with frustration and disbelief. On one side, a man begging for a chance to live his normal life without the ankle monitor that's costing him his job. On the other, a prosecutor painting him as a dangerous flight risk with a past that can't be ignored. This is The People versus Aurelius Terry, a domestic violence and home invasion case tangled in conflicting stories, missing affidavits, and a desperate plea for freedom. But when the judge finally rules, it leaves everyone, including Terry, in stunned silence. Stay locked in, because this hearing turns from legal argument to emotional breakdown in seconds.
Yes, hello?
State your name.
Aurelius Terry.
What are we doing?
Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you, Mr. Terry. Please be muted. Your Honor, we
I'm sorry.
would be requesting adjournment to get the body-worn cameras in this case. And Mr. Terry would like me to address bond if the court is willing.
Adjourn is June 1st, 2023. 9 a.m. Your Zoom invite indicates yes. Go ahead. It's just bond.
Your Honor, Mr. Terry was placed on a tether by the magistrate at arraignment. I believe that's due to his ties mainly being to Chicago. I don't really have any new information to present other than my office did receive an affidavit purporting to be from the alleged victim in this case, indicating that she does not want these charges pursued. But Mr. Terry was respectfully requesting the court consider removing the GPS tether.
Response from the people.
Your Honor, this is a situation where it's a home invasion first degree and a domestic violence as well as 2 counts of R&O. The tether was placed for the safety of the victim. I actually do not have any information about the victim saying that they do not want to proceed. And it does appear that he is a flight risk given the seriousness of the case and his criminal history. He has several ties to St. Charles, Illinois, Joliet, Illinois, and had cases in those areas as well.
Based upon all that information, and I don't have any information from the alleged victim in this case either. So motion for bond reduction or change of conditions is denied. Bond will continue as set. Thank you.
Can I say something?
I would recommend against it, Mr. Terry. I don't think there's anything that we can say that would change the judge's mind on this one.
Can I say it at least? I just want to
say whatever you want.
Yeah, I just wanted to speak on the tether issue. I'm not a flight risk. I work here at Eisenhower Center, and they're telling me that I won't be able to work if I keep the bracelet on my leg. I'm not a flight risk. I don't understand why they even say that. I'm here. I have a good job. I'm not trying to lose that. And then like stay on the tether, the job is telling me that they'll have to let me go, which I'm not trying to have happen. I'm not.
Somebody's going to need to put.
What's happening here is a clash between emotion and evidence. Terry's defense is leaning hard on sympathy. His job, his stability, his claim that the alleged victim wants no charges. But the prosecution's argument isn't about sympathy, it's about risk management. In domestic violence and home invasion cases, judges weigh one question above all. Could this person endanger the victim again? Even a single doubt can justify keeping that GPS tether on. Still, Terry's reaction here is raw. You can hear his frustration bubbling over as the system feels deaf to his reality. Do you think the court should have trusted his word and eased the restriction? Or did the judge make the right call keeping the tether on? Let me know what you decide if you were on that bench.
that in writing, give that to your counsel. I did not hear that. I have all of your ties being in the Chicago area.
Yes, I understand, but I moved here years ago. It's
Well,
just
I
my ties are
don't,
there.
I have
And
no idea about that.
I also wanted to speak about the affidavit paper that the defendant had sent over. I don't understand. I gave it to the public defender office. The state attorney office should have it also.
Well, first of all, that is going to be your attorney's decision about that, because there may be things contained that he may not turn over, but I'm sure with your law degree, you could probably tell him to do something different. So I'm going to continue my ruling if you are done. Bond will continue as it is. Thank you.
When's the next court date? When's the next court date, sir?
First, as I said before.
Thank you. This is crazy. I don't understand. I'm going to lose my job for something that's going to be dismissed. Thank you.
He probably wants to mute himself.
It's not letting me mute myself. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
And just like that, Aurelius Terry's request for bond modification is denied. Despite his insistence that he's not a flight risk, and even with that mysterious affidavit from the alleged victim, the judge wasn't convinced. The ruling highlights a core tension in bond hearings: personal hardship versus public safety. Courts will always err on the side of caution when a domestic violence charge is in play, even if it costs someone their job or freedom of movement. But what do you think? Was this justice served or an overreach of control? Drop your thoughts below, and if you love deep dives into real courtroom moments like this one, hit that like button, share your take in the comments, and subscribe for more breakdowns of shocking real-life hearings.